This video will serve as an introduction to the Dexalot Incentive Program, which will be launching in the first quarter of 2023. The program is designed to reward users who trade frequently and who trade well on the Dexalot application. The way the program will work is that every month users are ranked based on scores they get throughout that month, which will be based on 3 factors, which I'll go through in a minute. And then at the end of each month, a total of 200,000 allot is distributed among those users based on their rank. Now, the factors that affect your rank are first, executed volume. That's very simply the US dollar value of how much you have executed over the course of that month. Allot tokens deposited, which is the number of allot tokens you deposit over the course of that month, and order book contribution. Order book contribution is an aggregate of all the orders you have made over the course of that month, and each order is scored on quality and quantity. The quantity is simply the quantity of the given order that you placed in the order book, and the quality is based on another 2 factors, which are duration spent in the order book. So the longer you spend in the order book, the higher the score for that order will be, and as well as the distance from the midpoint of the order book. So the closer to the midpoint of the order book you are, the higher that score will be for that order. We'll go through a quick example of how it would look to try to increase your rank in the monthly standings. You go to the application, and here you'll need to go through the process of setting up a wallet, getting some funds, whether that be Allot, Avox, or whatever, and depositing it to your Dexalot portfolio. Once you have deposited that, you can place an order in the order book. So a good order would look like one that is near the midpoint of the order book, stays in for a long period of time, and is also of a high quantity. If you make a lot of orders like that over the course of a month, you'll have a pretty good chance being near the top of the rankings and get a higher percentage of that 200,000 allot. That's a basic run through of the Dexalot Incentive Program. More detailed information and articles will be linked below.